Hello, just walkout shopping is both extremely cool and extremely complicated. Just grab what you want and walk out the door is the new way to do it. Before, shoppers had to go through a bunch of steps to make sure they got what they wanted out of the store. Now, Amazon is rolling out a new, simpler way to just walk out called FID. It uses a system that uses radio frequency identification, or FID, to track your purchases as you leave the grocery store. FID tags are a long-time staple of the people tracking industries. They're a handy way to quickly check inventory in warehouses, keep your luggage from getting lost, and even get you into Disney World. Amazon is trying to take that technology and apply it to the everyday shopping experience. The system is pretty straightforward. Customers come into the store, pick out what they want, and walk through an exit gate that scans the tags and tallies up the bill. Then they scan. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.